Hi guys, it's Arjit here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add your existing domain to your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Either is a Namecheap, GoDaddy, or it doesn't matter if it's third party or and ClickFunnels allow it, the process is the same. So without further ado, let's log into a ClickFunnels 2.0 account and click on the workspace settings. Then click on domain names. So if you can get a free domain with ClickFunnels if you don't have any existing domain, but if you have, then click on connect existing domain and enter your domain name and hit continue. As you can see, registered with Namecheap. My domain host provider name is Namecheap. It could be the GoDaddy, or it could be a Namecheap or GoDaddy or any of the famous domain name providers. It doesn't matter. All you need to do is just click on add domain, and as you can see right now, click on show DNS table. These are the records that we need to put on our domain name providers, but we don't have to do it manually. So click on start domain setup and click on continue. It will analyzing your domain name and DNS provider. Like for example, mine is Namecheap. This window for me is Namecheap, but this pop-up will for you is GoDaddy or Hostinger or any of your domain name provider. So don't worry, just enter your username and password and click on continue. It will authenticating and automatically put all these records to your Namecheap or GoDaddy or any of your domain name provider. So you don't have to do it manually. This is really awesome feature that ClickFunnels 2.0 came up with. So that just wait for a few seconds, and when it will authenticating, then I will show you what to do next. Yeah, confirmation code is come to my mobile. So as you can see right now, Namecheap will send you a confirmation code on your current email address. So for example, mine is DF7B71. So check your email address. Namecheap or GoDaddy, whatever your domain name provider is, will send you a code on your Gmail account. Like for example, for my example, this is the email address that they will send. So check your email address and enter your code here and hit continue. This also may take few minutes, so wait for the next steps. Okay, it will setting up your domain, applying settings. This may take few minutes also, but as you can see right now, it's configured. Change typically takes a few hours to go live. However, it may take up to 48 hours, so you don't have to worry about, but this is done right now on our side of things. And you can come up with 24 hours or 48 hours and click on validate ownership. And all of these, let me show you what will happen there. For example, my arjitiger.com, it shows connected, it shows not set up. So when you click on the show DNS table, as you can see, all the right ticks are there. So that when you have all the right ticks, and then you click on the authorize settings. Let me show you where do you need to click after you get all the right ticks. Like click on validate ownership. So when you click on validate ownership, before you do that, first, like as you can see, these are the right tick, but I just need, maybe in next 5 minutes it will also go green, and then we hit on validate ownership and it will start adding SSL certificate to our domain name, and just few hours it will up and live for doing the work for we want to do. So wait for few seconds and see if this will work for you or not. So do not click until do not click on validate ownership until you have all the records go green. So let's wait for a few seconds if and see if something will working or not. So let's click on show ownership again. Yeah, as you can see, all these are right now green, so that we can click on validate ownership. It may take for you for 48 minutes, but it might take for me for 2 minutes. So click on validate ownership, and Yeah, you can see domain ownership verified. So you don't need to do anything right now. All you need to do is so wait for few hours and then check. It will automatically change the status from securing to connected. Thanks for watching guys. Hope this video helps you. If it does, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions related to ClickFunnels or any type of funnels, you can ask me in the comments below. If you want to build your funnels using ClickFunnels 2.0, make sure you subscribe for our channel and hit the bell icon. Or if you need more help with your strategy side of things or the funnel building side of things, you can book a strategy session with me. The links are in the description below.